6/8 time signature, page 28 in your written assignments book. Whenever you see this, you know you're going to need to learn something new. In 6/8 time, there are 6 beats in each measure. What gets the beat? The 8th note gets the beat. So in other words, what this really means is 6 1/8 notes. Go ahead and draw that yourself in the top left-hand corner like I did here. 6 1/8 notes. That'll make your life so much easier, believe me. And of course, we use the number 8 just to indicate that. Here's going to be your key to answer all of the questions below. A 16th note, double flag here, sometimes appeared beamed, is going to get half of a beat. So those are going to be our ands. An 8th note is going to get 1 beat. That's actually going to be the beat. This guy gets 2. Dotted quarter note gets 3, and a dotted half note will get 6. Well, if you think about it, there are 3 quarter notes and a dotted half note. And if you take those, divide them by 2, you would have 6 1/8 notes. So the highest value that we can actually have is going to be the dotted half note to complete the measure. Let's go ahead and just dig right in right away. Okay. Number 1, clap the rhythm while counting out loud. I'm going to help you with the first one. The rhythms are underneath it. So we know that a dotted quarter note is going to get this much quarter note and an 1/8 note. So literally it will sound 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bom, bom, bom. That's what it would sound. Same thing here. 1, 1, 1, even though they're beamed. This would get 1 beat because the 8th note's a beat. These guys here are going to be 5 and. That's 1 beat and then 6. So this would literally sound bum, 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 bum. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and. And the last measure, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6. That's it. Okay, it's actually a lot easier than you think. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and make up a cool melody to go along with this. I'm going to go sit on the piano over here. I think I'll put it in a minor key, which will sound dark and cool. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, ready, clap with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1, 5, 6. There we go. Just made that up. So I just added some notes there. Made it sound pretty cool. I messed up counting on the last measure, but essentially that is it. Okay, the next one. Write the count below the notes and then clap the rhythm while counting out loud. You can kind of use the first one here to figure this out. So I'm going to put check next to number 1. This would be 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to use a dash. I don't like that they put 5 there because that tells me in your performance you're going to show me. So we're going to stay consistent with our rhythm practices that we use. This would align with rhythm practice 8, by the way. Next one. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 6. Bum, 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 bum. Next measure. Bum, 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 bum. Next measure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold. Last measure. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Dash, dash. You're going to hear me say these sometimes, depending on the tempo or the speed. I would use numbers if I was playing it slow like I just did. But if I was playing it really fast, we would use something called la-lees, which of course are triplets. 1 la-lee, 2 la-lee, 3 la-lee, 4 la-lee. That would be 12/8. But in 6/8 it would be 1 la-lee, 2 la-lee, 1 la-lee, 2 la-lee. That would sound 1 la-lee, 2 lee, which would work fine here and here. This would be 1 la-lee, 2 la. But when you get into this stuff, 1 ta la-lee, 2 lee, da 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 ba da da ba ba da. 1 ta la-lee, 2 lee. That's what that would be. Okay? So we're going to just stay with the numbers to be consistent with the worksheet for now. Okay? So from left to right, clap and count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, and 4. There you go. Number 3, put a check next to number 2. You sort of get it. I hope you get if you don't play it, if you don't do all the melodies in melody practice 8, you're not going to get it anyway. So not only do you need to do the worksheet, but you need to play it on your instrument. Write a 6/8 time signature after the clef sign. Piece of cake. 6, 8. Done. Write the count below the notes and then clap the rhythm while counting out loud. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, dash 6. And I'm going to do the dash because there are 2 8th notes again in a quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, dash. 1, 2, and 3, 4, dash, dash. 1, dash, 3, 4, dash, dash. There's our dotted chord note. It appears a lot. Okay? The reason we see the dotted chord note appear, you'll notice that halfway through in 6/8 is going to be after 3. Well, how many 8th notes fit inside of a dotted quarter note? 3 do. So the beat is actually felt in a dotted quarter note. 1, 2, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pirates of the Caribbean, all kinds of cool music has 6/8 time signature. And it's felt in 2. 1 la li 2, li 1 la li 2. 1 la ta li 2, 1 li 2. That's another way to feel it. As long as the pulse, dum dum bum 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 bum, dee 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 dee. As a matter of fact, I'm curious if I actually sung that close. So I'm going to play it along with the piano. You guys go ahead and clap and count with me. We're going to use the number system that they have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yup. Pretty close. And that's 6/8 time. Let's put a check next to number 3. Move on to number 4. Write a 6/8 time signature after the clef sign. We're going to do that again. A lot of treble clef examples down here. Looks like we have a bass clef one coming up. Okay. Part 2. Write in the count below the notes. Draw the missing bar lines. That sounds familiar. Okay. 1. Got to know that's 2. So this will be 3, 4, 5, 6. Bar line. 1 and 2, 3, 4, dash, that would be 5. Here's 6. Bar line. 1, 2, 3. That'll be a syncopated rhythm in 6/8 time. 4, dash, 6. Bar line. 1, 2, dash. This will be 4, dash, dash. Stands for 5, 6. Okay, I'm going to do my best to play this one. This one will sound major because the tonic is in C, also known as the root. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, clap with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That was it. We're going to put a check here next to number 4. I encourage you to repeat that in the video if you would like to, so that you make sure that you really comprehend or understand it. Number 5, write in the count below the notes and add the missing bar lines. Same exact thing, but now we're in bass clef, which really doesn't matter because rhythm is rhythm. This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, dash, 6. Bar line. 1, 2, that'll last for 3. So this is 4 and 5, 6. Bar line. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bar line. And finally, a dotted half note. Guess what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Why? Because there are 6/8 notes and a dotted half note. 3 quarter notes divided by 2, that's how many eighth notes you're going to have. And if you're confused about that, see the chart on rhythm. I believe it's page 4 in your method book. Okay? I'll do my best to play this one. I'm not the world's greatest piano player, that's for sure. And it has a lot of skips. So it's going to be a bass clef. It's going to sound major. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, clap with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6. 1 and 2, 3. Oops. 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See if we're going to do that without counting. Oh, messed up there. 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go. And that is 6/8 time. Go ahead and put a check next to that.